Okay, YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today's Sunday morning, 9:30, March the 3rd. We're going to take the Sunday ride. And we are in Glen Rock. I'm on a pedal assist 3. We're going to ride and see where we go. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. I'm on a bike lane. On my last video, when I was watching it, I was looking at the display here. And when I had it on pedal assist 5, this thing was peaking up to 1,300 watts. I thought it was 1297, but last Thursday, 1,300 watts plus. And it was brutally cold that day. It didn't get higher than 34, I don't think. It's a beautiful morning. We have Glen Rock on this side. We have Hawthorne on that side. Bergen County, Passaic County. We're going to continue to go straight, and I'm going to put it on pedal assist 5. Let's get going. Hold on. All right, let's go. Little wind, but absolutely gorgeous day. Here's a bicyclist. He's at the fluorescent green. He waved at me. I gave him a head nod. He doesn't know I'm on an electric bike. We're going a little bit downhill over here. I want to take some of these side streets. Maybe I'll take this one. Yep, this is the one we're going to take. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful morning. Look at the sun, the sky, so beautiful. Man, this is what it's all about. You guys, if you look here, it tells you how many miles I went. Right now I went 1.28 miles. My highest speed was 26 miles. And if you look here, it tells you the wattage. Watch this. Look what it peaks at. 1297 again. Oh, look at Glen Rock. Glen Rock. This is a big rock. Let's go around it. Look at that. That's a huge rock. Let me straighten you guys out. That's Glen Rock, guys. Wind in the face. What a good day today. There's some wind. I've been here before. They're playing lacrosse. Lacrosse team. I think this is Ridgewood. Could be Glen Rock, I don't know. They have helmets like me. There's a lacrosse helmet and I have a bike helmet. They look alike though, if you think of it. Without the face mask. Recycling center again. It's nice to cruise around. It rained a lot yesterday. Everybody taking a nice walk. Sunday walk. First time that I'm not really that cold. It's nice over here. I think we're in Ridgewood now. Yeah, we were in Ridgewood back there somewhere. I wonder if this is a dead end. Let's go down this way. I'm just riding around, guys. Yeah, it's a turnaround. Hey, at least we got to see something. Nice and peaceful over here. what we came from? Yeah, that's where we came from. Let's go down this street. Let's see what's here. So peaceful. Is my light on? Yeah, it's on. We're gonna keep riding until the recording stops, and then that's where we'll just end it. It's a nice Sunday morning ride. Everybody's enjoying the weather. March 3rd, guys. St. Patrick's Day is a little less than 2 weeks away, because today's the 3rd. Right? And St. Patrick's is the 17th. Yeah, 2 weeks away. We can call it 2 weeks. There's a nice bike lane over here. We are in Ridgewood now. Take this beautiful ride. On a beautiful day. I can't express that enough. It's a beautiful day. Let's make a right. Ridgewood Bike Center. They sell e-bikes there. Look how nice this is. People are nice over here. Just riding around. Oh, the bike route is that way. Look at all these apartments. Wow, there's got to be hundreds of them. This is a dead end. I want to take one of these roads. Let's take this road. What's the name of this road? Woodside Ave. All right, this looks good. Woodside Ave, guys. I always get this camera wrong. I don't know why. I hope it's straight. Wow, look how nice. Go down this way. Make a left. Everybody walking their poochies. I guess their hands are cold. Should I go straight or make a left? Let's make a left. Morning. Everybody's nice over here. I love it. I love friendly people. And animals. I love animals. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just riding around. Morning. Wow, look at this. This is downhill.